33 and new this morning, ABC 15 is getting brand new insight into what went into that guilty verdict in Lori Daybell's murder conspiracy trial. Last week, a Maricopa County jury convicted Daybell of plotting to kill her fourth husband, Charles Vallow. This morning, one of those jurors is opening up to me about what went into that decision and the surprises along the way.
Do find the defendant, Lori Daybell, as to the crime of count 1, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder occurring on or about July 11, 2019, guilty.
And with that, Lori Daybell learned her fate in her first Arizona trial.
I never thought I'd be a part of anything like this.
He was Ned before they got rid of him. That was probably the part where we were like, okay, now it's real.
Tosh Reed Tucker, also known as juror number 8, was one of the 12 people who convicted Daybell inside Maricopa County Superior Court last week. What did you make of Lori Daybell representing herself in this case?
I think she did a pretty good job all around. Minus a couple of the times where she slipped up and got a little bit sassy. I think she did a pretty good job representing herself.
But obviously it wasn't enough to create that reasonable doubt. You still believe the prosecution's case over Lori Daybell's.
Yeah, the evidence is what had us.
Evidence from text messages to surveillance video, even the literal smoking gun prosecutors say Daybell's brother used to kill Charles Vallow inside his Chandler home in 2019. What was that like to handle the gun that was used in this crime?
There's a lot of feeling, you know. You're holding something that was used to kill someone.
There were a lot of key factors in this whole saga that so many of us have come to know over the years. But for Tosh and the rest of the jury, they were completely shocked when they found out. To learn about Lori Daybell's other convictions, the ones with her own children, what goes through your mind?
It's a lot. It's pretty intense, and we didn't know any of this.
It is just one piece of a puzzle that has included doomsday conspiracies, murder, and plenty of heartache along the way. What would your message be for Charles Vallow's family?
That I am so sorry that this happened to you guys, but I'm so glad that you guys got justice.
I mean, really fascinating perspective. I think when they were doing jury selection, a lot of you would agree as well, when they found enough jurors, and really so quickly, it was quite surprising. But we have been involved with this case and following it since 2019. She just moved here.
Right. So knowing about those earlier convictions, especially in the murders of her two children, that was something that the jurors didn't know about.
Wow. I mean, it happened in Idaho, but most of us did here in the Valley because we followed it so closely.
Right. Obviously, so many pieces to this one. Our thanks to Ashley Holden for helping with this interview. Now, Daybell's going to be back in court May 14th for a hearing in her second Arizona trial. In that case, she's accused of conspiring to kill her niece's ex-husband, and that trial is expected to begin at the end of May. She's pleaded not guilty in that case.
We will be watching it closely and obviously following this here on our social media feeds as well. We hope that you'll join us.